Bombela Fanatics here, and I'm your host, Limpo Mukhale Kanyamazane Stadium. It's the Mpumalanga MFC derby between Kruger United FC and Castwick Stars. The game has concluded by Castwick failing to defeat Kruger United 3-2. With the winners today here, Kruger United, Mphathi Karakara. Uqhubile le nqola ama-log leaders bashayile boss.
I think from my point of view, it was one difficult game. When I look at the boys from the first half going to the second half, they were lagging a bit. But then I think we tried. I think what matters most it's getting the points. So Bafana batlangile man. Bazamile ngofu. So ihleketa kako loko coach o endla so ihleketa kako va team ita hetela itlanga so going forward. So
Chairman yam Karakara bafana bakho badlalile namuhla nduna yam. Coming into this game, Masters revealed that you had only one win so far like ekhaya kaNyamazane. Ngidlala nema-log leaders namuhla mphathi wami. I-Castwick Stars yona akugabanga nekuthuka nje cha amadoda game namuhla ukuthi okay namhla sokuphuthilana labanye bantu namuhla nduna yami.
Ngihleketa kakhulu loko namuhla yithi kuma ihlangana log leaders. I think the motivation even ngofu kabatlanga and loko nilanguta last game we played home and I think we got a win out of the game that we played home. So I think coming to today's game with the motive yago itlanga a derby, I think it demotivated the players to say, we need to push and I think a lot of guys back at home, because I'm from Brugesburg region actually. Nkuma kone push mkhulu Somerset actually. So last season it was us coming here each and every game. But I think with the way the boys started, it was like giving us that doubt to say no. You can't be driving all along from Brugesburg and becoming there. So but then I think with those two games that we won from KwaZulu Natal, it said a lot to us to say no. Bafana baratlanga and Bafana and did the best. And I just want to say the boys did well. And we're proud. We're proud all the way from Brugesburg Ridge and
Karakara. Nduna Benati ukuthi namuhla ngikhamba kule game lena ngihleli position number 3 with 19 points. Namuhla kule game lena manithola leli goal lekugcina leli lincede ukuthi niwine leli 22 points. Ngena ku number 2 nduna yami. Ngena kuma playoff spots. The Kruger net goal difference. Castwick number 1, Kruger United number 2. Net ihlukanisa net goal difference nduna yami. Ndiva njani nibalandzeli bayo bona iKruger ukuthi ngena kuma playoff spots. Elison nduna yami.
Ni ntavula kako itsake ngofu manje la ishangana itsake ngofu ene ningavula kako va isala vangako alakaya lava support Kruger United last season ayivuye nda support Kruger United
nduna yami
Kruger United iloko endleni kapselo leswi lava kapso so please ayivuye man
nduna yami usatota nalo lo ntamuka
ndambaka 2 ndambaka 2 lwenu baka 2 okay mani kudze bafana bamele kubaza basungula asungulile and usungule ka rotso sizina uphela itekala we uthe first game second game utakala mara sweswinyana anivuyile endaba
Limpo Mukhale ye Bombela Fanatics ayivale la